Somebody pray for me. It been that day for me. Yeah, yeah.
Look at that outside, boys. Well, it's nighttime now, but it still looks like a beautiful day to go buy a Banshee. We got the truck empty as of now, but I'll catch up with you guys in a second. Hello. I'm gonna give you guys a quick little look at it, but we're gonna look at it way more in depth later. But got the Cascade side piece, some V-Force reeds, some keihin carbs for that beer cooler, baby. Yups. Needs a carb rebuild, or the floats are just stuck because it's leaking gas out. Oh. He had a California tied up, but I just got it. I literally took the carpet out today. I took the dash out last night with one. The dash is hella cracked. Lord, bro. Yeah, that shit was. Look what happened.
No. What the fuck happened? Wait a minute. Wait a fucking minute.
Bro, that's crucial.
Right.
Oh, my white balance went crazy.
God, you got both of them motherfuckers, bro. Oh, that's so ignorant, bro. Yeah. Legit Oppo.
Oppo, you see it with the seat, right? First thoughts.
Fire.
It matches your shirt. That's why I need the shirt.
You right?
Let's get a volume check. Oh, that's not that bad. That's for sure the gas right now that keeps leaking. I gotta rebuild the carbs ASAP. Because that gas pours on top of the motor. Got the brake lines like you?
Yups, but these are probably way better.
Look at his ball! How did his ball get in there?
No.
That was him when he did that.
Yeah.
You'll be at my show watching. Shining now. Still got some more, but I don't have any more degreaser or that purple power. So, but I'm gonna be taking this thing apart to pull the gas tank, fix the petcock, rebuild the carbs and stuff like that. So I'll clean it again when I have like the plastics off. There she is, all cleaned up, boys. I'm gonna pull it back out here tomorrow and get a better view of it pulled up next to the other Banshee. But just give you guys a sneak peek. When I say everything's chrome on this bike, I mean it's chromed, man. It's chromed out. This thing's got all the bells and whistles. Cleaned her up, cleaned up the seat. Huge difference, man. The bike looks so good now. You can just see the colors. It was so like faded looking before. I love the Paul Turner pipes, how they're like a spiral. You can see on the T5s, they're big old pipes, and then the mid-range Turner pipes are like a loop. It looks sweet. But there she is. She's shining bright right now. Yeah. Let it go, let go. What the fuck? Drop it. That's that snappiness. Check it. I figured I'd talk just a little bit about the history of this other Banshee I just picked up, because this thing has literally been in my family as long as I can remember. Like I remember being like 5 years old and this Banshee being around. It was one of my dad's buddies, like a family friend of ours, and sadly he passed away a long time ago. The bike went to my dad. My dad had it for probably like 10 years, and then I don't even know how long he had it, and we just stopped going to Dumont. We stopped riding pretty much with the Banshees, sold all the other bikes, and then he sold this bike to his buddy who passed away's son, and his son had it for years, and we just wanted to keep it in the family, so I went and I got it from him because he wanted to get rid of it and get a razor. Yeah, you can tell this bike has been sitting in the sun because it had shock wears on it, and the shock wears are super faded. This yellow is super faded in the front. The tires are completely sun rotted on the side. They're like splitting. All the fuel lines, he just put new ones on because all the fuel lines are cracked. And then the seat, it's actually this seat, I just swapped them, and this seat's completely ripped, but it looks so much better with this seat because the yellow actually matches. My foot slipped off the Kickstarter because I was wearing my slides, and my foot hit the bottom of the foot peg. Took a big old chunk out of my skin too. Got me good on the shocks, but we got some really nice shocks up front with it, along with the Lonestar long travel, which is +2+1 long travel up front, chrome A-arms, chrome everything on this bike. Custom grill piece, laser lights, I think they're called, the lights on it. We got the Paul Turner mid-range pipes on there, going back to the Paul Turner Fat Boys silencers on the rear, which are super nice. We got the chromed out foot pegs, chromed out brake lever, chrome Cascade clutch case with the water pump. We got a Cascade dipstick, not sure on the kick lever, but it's a nice boy. It's me. We got V-Force 4 reeds. We got keihin carbs, I want to say 34 mils, but I'm not 100% sure. It doesn't say on it, but I'm assuming they're 34s. We had a cool head, a Pro Design cool head. I don't know what domes are in it right now, so I'm not too sure on that. Man, look how crazy these Paul Turners get close to this. Paul Turners rub against everything, like even the petcock, it's like right against it. Whereas these Toomies are like way clear of everything. Got the Cascade stator case, along with some polished jugs. I don't know what jugs these are, but they don't look like the stock ones because they don't have the writing engraved right here. Where the reed block is. So then we got the back, it's a +4 extended swing arm on the rear, chromed out, everything chrome. We got the 6-pack cooler chrome, we got the grab bar chrome, we got the Lonestar axles, I'm assuming, just by the way the hubs look and everything. Polished sprocket, I don't know what guide that is. Got a chrome dipped wishbone. So this bike's got a lot of Hot Boy stuff, man. We got the reinforced rear wheels, stock airbox. It just doesn't have the lid on it. Some wiring I gotta look through, a lot of the wiring on this bike. This is definitely the dune bike. I mean, this thing is long traveled out, boys. This thing looks like a Prey Mantis or something, the way it looks, how long it is compared to the other one. Now is just to keep this one clean and stock as possible. So I even think about getting a black stock Banshee seat for this thing and trying to find some gold OEM wheels for it. But this bike will be more for just messing around in the dirt, and just, this is like the iconic Banshee bike to me, man. This thing just looks good, and this will be the ripper for the dunes. That's gonna do it for this video, guys. I want you guys to leave a thumbs up on this video and comment down below if you guys are stoked on another Banshee. This is not the end. Just because all the Banshee content lately, you might see some Banshee merch coming out really soon, so stay tuned for that, and check the description below if you guys want to grab some merch and support the channel. And yeah, boys, we got another Banshee. So now we need to get Juan's over here and I'll see all 3 of them lined up. But next time we're working on the Banshee, I'm probably going to pull the carbs off this one and start looking into this dune bike a little bit more. So stay tuned for that. I'll see you guys on the next one.